So this is US 30 analysis for Tuesday, the 24th of April. Now, let's just have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we've had a gap up in the market, had a brief sell-off down towards this 24,420. Brief move back up to test the 510, saw the sell side momentum, came down, tested the 420 for some time on a couple of occasions. And what we have seen is an actual breakdown through the 420, came down in towards that 24,350 level. And from this 24,350, traced slightly below that, almost down towards that 24,300. Came pretty close to a test of the 400 period moving average, but from there shows strong sell side momentum followed by immediate buy side momentum in the market, taking us back above the 420 level. And we're currently consolidating beneath this 24,510. Now, this does appear there does appear to be a slight bullish momentum here in the market. So we formed our lows there, a lower low there. There's a possibility of forming a higher low and having a potential inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern. So if we do see we do break above and hold the 510 level, we're looking for price progression towards a 550. Do have to be aware of a 200 period moving average, but I wouldn't think it proved too much of a difficulty for the US 30. Looking for prices to head further to the upside towards that 24,650, 24,700, and possibly even the 24,800 mark, depending on volatility. And if we do see some very strong volatility to the upside, 24,864 would likely be the very next level of some significance. So we do have our lows, we do have our higher lows potentially forming here below the this potential resistance at the 510, this minor level of the 510. So if we do see a progression to the upside, those are levels that we are looking at. But if we do break down from this 510, we're looking to see our price direct towards a 420. On previous occasions, we found support at that 420 level. Break from there, looking to see our price structure was a 350, and if we do successfully navigate the 350, in around with the 350 will likely have the confluence of the 400 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce. But if we don't find a bullish bounce there, we're looking for price head down towards our 24,238, and if we do see sufficient volatility to the downside, 24,071, very strong major level, marked out here in red. We'll be looking to see our price erect there, and from there, if we do see the price progression to the downside, 23,900 will be the very next level that we are looking at here on the US 30. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here on the US 30. We'll get scale on here correct, and on this daily chart we can see here we've had this we've had our lows there, and we formed a low in around the 200 period moving average, trade side below it, didn't close below the 200 period moving average. We've had this move upwards, but we are seeing a bit of retracement now. There is still a possibility of posting in a higher low in relation to this low here, and seeing the old highs here around the 24,864 tested. And if we do successfully break from there, we're looking for price head up towards our 25,000 and the mid 25,000 marks. But we have to first see how deep this retracement takes us before we do see that bullish buy side momentum return to this market. And with that said, that wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.